Medvedev. And member states of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization have held several rounds of bilateral talks, and they're going to hold an official meeting later today at around in about 1.5 hours. Well, since its founding in 2001, the SCO has become an important platform for maintaining regional security and stability and for promoting common development and prosperity. And this year's meeting is the first of its kind after the organization's membership expansion in June to include India and Pakistan. And later we'll see leaders from these member states as well as those observers countries, and you're going to take a family photo, and this photo will be the largest ever. And they have the largest number of participants. Now the SCO has China, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Russia, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, India, and Pakistan as its full members. And it also has 4 observer states, namely Iran, Afghanistan, Belarus, and Mongolia, and also 6 dialogue partners. And they include Armenia, Azerbaijan, Cambodia, Nepal, Sri Lanka, and Turkey. And that's the live signal from the Russian city of Sochi. And later, and this government house will take a family photo. We'll give you an update on that later today. Meanwhile, German President Frank-Walter Steinmeier has met with political party leaders in